Hello guys, this is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today, I'd like to share a video story. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was Sunny, and she lived in South Korea. She used to hang out with friends and loved going to concerts and sometimes traveling abroad. However, suddenly, everything changed. The world faced a global pandemic, and like other people across the globe, she also struggled with the situation. Fortunately, there was hope, but not a prince. The vaccine came to save the day. It is helping people fight the deadly COVID virus. Today's story follows our vaccination day. By listening to this story, you will learn some Korean words related to vaccination. Let's get started. In South Korea, the 18 to 49 age group is scheduled to get their first shot since the last week of August. However, luckily, Sunny could have a 자녀 백신 은지운. 자녀 is a noun and is directly translated to leftover and rooted in Chinese words. A Korean word, 백신, means a vaccine and comes from an English word. So in English, 자녀 백신 is no-show vaccine. It is introduced to not waste the shot chance. If a person cancels their vaccine appointment on the very day of vaccination, a hospital can open a slot on the flatphone, and then people can book no-show vaccine on the same day. Thanks to this system, Sunny could get a vaccine much sooner than was scheduled. After finishing the first dose, she bought painkillers in case of a severe reaction. During the first few hours after her shot, there was no immediate reaction, so she was relieved. However, 7 to 8 hours post-shot, Sunny started feeling terribly sick. She had the following symptoms: 열, 오한, 두통. 열 means fever and 오한 means chill, and 두통 is headache. Even though she took the painkillers, Sunny was under the weather for about 3 days. A few days after the vaccination day, Sunny downloaded an application to get 예방 접종 증명서. This expression consists of 3 nouns. The first word, 예방, means prevention, and the second word, 접종, means inoculation, and the last noun, 증명서, means a certificate. So in English, 예방 접종 증명서 is a vaccination certificate. Sunny's vaccination story ends. Today we talked about vaccination. How about your first vaccination experience? Did you have symptoms? If you have, how was it? Please share it with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I will come back with your new word and story. Leave suggestion in the comments. See you in the next video.